In this example, we're going to take a look at creating an ordering question where you give the students a list of items and ask them to put them in the correct sequential order. The question is called Pink Floyd Album Release Dates, and I have the question here: place the following Pink Floyd albums in the proper order according to their release dates. I'm going to allow partial credit on this. In fact, there are going to be 7 albums, so I'll change the default to 7. And then it asks you to type them into the 7 boxes in the correct order. So I will start here with Saucer Full of Secrets. And the next one, which was 1971, is Metal. In 1973, it was Famous Album. Next was Wish You Were Here in 1975. The Animals album came out in 77. The Wall was released in 79. Final Cut in 1983. So there are the correct orders that the albums were released. Now I proceed to the next phase of the question, where it gives me the option to rearrange the display order. This is the correct order that I just typed in, and this is the display order. 7, 6, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not too crazy about the fact that there's 1, 2, 3, 4 in chronological order right there, so I'm going to mix those up a little bit. Just drag number 3 up to there, and maybe drag number 2 to there. There, that's better. Okay. So this is how the student will see them, and they'll be asked to number those in the correct order. I'm not going to provide any feedback on this question, but I will put in my metadata information. I would say that this is a difficult question, so I'll choose that. Pink Floyd albums, dates. Got to give a capital F to Floyd. Say OK to that metadata, and that's essentially it. I can submit that, and we'll take a look at that question before we carry on. There it is. That's the display order that the student will get them, and this is the correct order, and they'll be asked to number them in that sequence right there. At this point, if you're done working on a test for now, you can say OK and come back to that later, and we'll take a look at that in the next